Sunshine here, and today we are clearly getting into something very exciting. This is the PR package from Anastasia Beverly Hills' new collection. Look how cute this lamp is with a palm tree. And we have two collections. These are the day collection and the sunset collection. We have two quads. We have a day quad and a sunset quad. So I'm going to use the day quad and then show you how to get this look right here into this night, more dramatic, sunsetty eye look. If you want to see how I get this look with the new ABH collection, and I use these lips too. I only use one of each. Well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. So here we have the two collections, the daytime and the nighttime. The daytime collection has 4 eyeshadows. This is a matte shadow called Sand Castle, a shimmer shadow called Rose Quartz, another matte shadow called Papaya, and a wonderful shimmery gold named Sunny. To kick off this daytime look, I'm going to use Papaya first. And I will be using the Zoeva 134 Luxe Powder Fusion Brush. I'm going to place this all in the crease. I'm moving in swiper motions back and forth. This doesn't have that much kick back or kick up in the pan. And it's going onto my lid pretty smoothly. So I'm just moving that back and forth in the crease, above the crease area. Has a really pretty buildable application. I'm using the base of the tip of my brush right onto my eyelid, blending in swiper motions. Swiper, no swiping. Well, actually, we need a swipe. Do that to the other side. Next, I will be going into that matte shade Sand Castle, and I will be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. The kick-up seems pretty normal in the pan of Sandcastle. It does look like there's a lot of pigment on my brush, so I'm going to tap off that excess. I'm pressing Sandcastle in the outer corner of my eye, moving my brush in swiper motion while the tip of the base is flat onto my eyelid. I'm blending in swiper motion, and I'm blending it in the crease in swiper motion as well. This is sort of a first impression plus tutorial, and if you are following along, well, go ahead and add a sandcastle to the other side. Now I'm going to take Sunny and Rose Quartz and mix them together. I will be using the Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease Brush. Moving the brush to the base of the lash line and moving it up above the creases. Those are really beautiful shades. These are very nice shimmer shades. They go on pretty pigmented. When I apply them onto my hand, I know that was like the most ridiculous swatch ever, but they're pretty pigmented. They're very beautiful. I'm adding Sunny right into the center of the eyelid. Oh, that is gorgeous. So I'm really into Sunny. Wow. Oh, so pretty. It's so pretty. I started adding both Sunny and Rose Quartz onto this eyelid like I did on this one at the beginning, and I decided I really like the mixture of the two. Taking Sunny and Rose Quartz and I'm just going back and forth, and it's giving me this really pretty golden rose gold look. I'm just going to do that. I'm adding it all over, and I'm not wetting these at all. They're very beautiful and shimmery. There is a lot of fallout, you guys, for me, but I also am using a blending brush, which I think causes a lot of fallout. So if you're following along, go ahead and mix those two shimmer shades really well together and then clean up. Instead of adding lashes to this daytime look, I'm just going to add mascara. I've already curled and put one coat of this mascara. So I'm adding another coat of this onto my lashes. Okay, so go ahead and add your mascara to both sides as much as you may need a mascara. And I will go ahead and put my face makeup on, and I'll show you how I would turn this daytime look into a nighttime look with the second quad. And voila, I have my face makeup on. To finish off the lower lash line, I'm just going to use Sandcastle, and then we'll do one of the liquid lipsticks from the collection. And I'm using a Nabla Precision Shader Brush from the White Rose Nabla eyeshadow brush collection. And for this daytime look, I'm not going to add mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm just going to leave it at shadow. So now let's pick a liquid metallic liquid, these are liquid lipsticks, but they are metallic liquid lipsticks. So this one is in Sunset, no. Oh, this one is in Sunset Punch, and this one is in Bellini. Ooh, it's like peachy pink. I have Bellini up top and Sunset Punch. I don't really do well with swatches, so this is what you get. I'm gonna pick Bellini. That's all it's called, Bellini. I'm gonna pick Bellini. So this is my look using the Daytime Quad with the Bellini metallic liquid lipstick. Now, I don't know how I feel about the metallic liquid lipstick when I look at myself in person. Maybe if I had some false lashes, I would feel a little bit more comfortable wearing a metallic lip, but the color of it is so pretty. Yeah. I don't know what else to say about it. And I love this quad. So let's get into the nighttime version of this with some lip gloss. What I've done is I've actually taken off my liquid lipstick in Bellini, and this is just my natural lip color after being rubbed a few times. So it's time for part 2 of this video, getting into the Sunset, I was gonna say Sunset Squad. We should be called the Sunset Squad or Sunshine Squad. This is the nighttime collection. We have a matte shadow called Horizon, a shimmer shadow called Streak, another shimmer shadow called Blue Flash, and a matte shadow called Birkin. I'm gonna take the shadow Horizon, and I will be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. Like I've done in the beginning of this tutorial, I'm taking the base tip of the blending brush, pressing it, and I'm carefully doing this, pressing it in the outer corner, and that deepens up that outer corner. I'm going to start to blend this a little bit in circular motion, keeping the base of the tip of the brush onto the eyelid. And I'm staying in that outer corner section. Now I'm using some swiper motion and part of the base and part of the side of the brush, and I am kind of tilting my brush as I'm holding it, and that's creating a depth and dimension. So do that to both sides, and then we'll put the shimmer shade. So one thing I do want to mention is that this Horizon eyeshadow is very much like the other ABH shadows, where there's quite a lot of kick up when you put your brush into it. I wonder how the other shadow is. Let's just test it. I'm gonna take that brush from earlier into, what is it, Birkin? This one has the second least amount of kick up. So if that is something that is interesting to you or important to you, well, that is that. So I'm gonna take a look at Blue Flash and Streak. They're very much like the Norvina shimmer shades. And then I will take the shadow Streak and the 221 soft crease brush from Zoeva. I'm placing Streak just right on top of the shimmers we had before. I do want to add more of Horizon. I'm taking my brush that I used before, which is the 228 Luxe Crease Brush, adding that to the outer corner, and I'm using my brush in swiping motions with the base pointed onto the eyelid. I'm using fast swiper motions, but I am using very light, tiny touches. I want to deepen this up even further and add more. There we go, we want a smokier eye. Go ahead and add more to the other side if you want to get more of a smoky, sultry sort of eye look. Now we have added the Sunset Quad onto our eye look, going from day to night. We're gonna do a lower lash line. We are gonna get dramatic with that lower lash line. Are you ready? Well, let's pop on our lashes first. I am taking the Lashylicious, Lussylicious lashes. I'm taking a Zoeva 322 brow line brush into Horizon. I'm pressing it in the outer corner, and I'm going to open up this area here. With the Nabla Deb and Smudge Brush, I'm taking Birkin. I want to create this open space, so I've brought it lower here. I want to really dramatize the lower lash line. And I also want to blend it up into the outer corner. So do that to the other side. I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter for the inner corner. And this here is a Zoeva 317 wing liner brush. If you're following along, this is just something I want to do to my lower lash line. You don't have to do this. You can pick and choose whatever you want from this tutorial. I'm bringing that into the inner corner and making it large in the inner corner, and then it's going to get smaller as we go inward. To finish off this eye look, I am going to use mascara. This is the Maybelline Snapscara, and this will be my final touch to this sunset evening sort of dramatic eye look. For the last step of this look, I'm going to add the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is this called? Pink Daiquiri? Daiquiri. I think that is possibly how you say it. Lip gloss, and ooh, this is the other lip gloss. This is a purple lip gloss. When I've seen swatches, both of these look gorgeous. I love glittery, sparkly, shiny, beautiful lip glosses. So I feel more comfortable wearing this one. If you love to wear like bold makeup, this would probably look really great on you. I don't know how pigmented it is actually. I don't know if it's like kind of like clear or anything, but yeah. So let me actually swatch them onto my wrists like I did before. Here we have Blue Hawaii, and here we have Pink Daiquiri. And that completes this 2-look tutorial using the new Day Quad and the new ABH Sunset Quad, day to night. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, well, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at nessachicas. What do you guys think? Are you interested in the metallic liquid lipsticks? Are you interested in the glosses? Is there a quad that stands out to you more? The Day Quad? Or does the Sunset Quad stand out to you? Yeah, I like both of them. I think I am more drawn to the Day Quad, even though I like that this says Sunset. So, well, there we have an idea. If you've made it to this point of the video, comment down below Sunset because it has the word sun in it, and we're on the Sunshine channel. That completes this video for today. I hope you like this day to night look, and yeah, bye! Bye now!